Ini dia situs Megalitikum Gunung Padang. Berada di daerah Cianjur. Ini adalah situs megalit terbesar di Asia Tenggara. Diperkirakan berumur 3 sampai 5.000 tahun. Tetapi ada juga pertentangan lah beberapa ahli. Ada yang mengatakan 10.000 bahkan 20.000 tahun yang lalu. Karena itu masih diperdebatkan hingga saat ini. Situs ini tuh bagi masyarakat lokal ataupun masyarakat Sunda masih dipercaya juga sebagai tempat ritual atau mungkin tempat keramat lah. Nah, situs ini bentuknya bentuknya punden berundak. Punden berundak atau ya beginilah seperti yang teman-teman bisa dilihat. Dia ada undakan, tumpukan-tumpukan bebatuan, ada 5 punden. Nah, ini ternyata adalah batu-batu andesit berbentuk prisma yang terbentuk secara alami dari ya aktivitas gunung berapi mungkin ya. Nah, yang jadi pertanyaan adalah dari mana asalnya batu-batu ini? Apakah memang sudah ada di bukit ini sebagai hasil dari aktivitas seismik, atau memang dibawa dari mana kemudian disusun rapi? Yang pasti itu disusun rapi oleh manusia karena strukturnya sangat rapi. Ada beberapa kolom-kolom yang memang disusun sangat rapi. Gunung Padang ini tempat yang cukup familiar buat saya karena saya sudah berulang kali ke sini dan tidak pernah berhenti amazed buat lihat Gunung Padang. Sampai sekarang pun saya masih terheran-heran. Ini masih banyak penelitian. Kalau dari penelitian kemarin sempat ada dari ITB lah, dari mana itu katanya di dalam bukitan ini terlihat ada lapisan-lapisan, dan itu bisa jadi pertanda bahwa di dalam tanah pun ini masih ada batuan-batuan yang tersusun, dan bahkan katanya ada juga seperti ruangan bawah tanah. Kalau memang itu benar adanya, maka ini akan menjadi fakta menarik di dunia sains terkait asal muasal peradaban manusia di Nusantara. Jadi memang tuh kayak situs-situs, nah itu ya itulah dia. Makanya saya bilang Gunung Padang itu masih sangat misterius lah, dari historinya, dari ceritanya maupun secara fakta-fakta ilmiahnya gitu. Masih banyak perdebatan saintis dan lain-lain. Itu juga mungkin yang apa ya, nggak kayak di situs-situs kayak yang di Meksiko itu apa ya namanya, yang suku Aztec itu mungkin mereka penelitiannya lebih maju atau gimana. Kalau di sini ya sudah puluhan tahun aja saya sering kesini bolak-balik, ya masih gini-gini aja. Cuman mungkin dikelola dengan lebih baik sekarang, secara kepengurusan juga lebih banyak dibandingkan dulu. Fasilitas sudah lumayan oke, akses juga bagus, jalan udah bagus. Tinggal bagaimana Pemda setempat mengelola ini.
Look what
So what do you think about this site?
Oh, it's very cool. Very, I like. So, most of the things that today we are able to see,
Yeah.
these ancient megalithic
Yeah,
complexes,
yeah.
since they are so famous, they make some kind of I don't know what to say. let's say, what's the name of that attraction place in US?
Recreation.
Disney.
The famous for kids. When you
Disney,
took
Disney.
Disney, they
Disney.
make Disneyland from these
Mm.
ancient sites. Like
Yeah, yeah,
they
yeah,
put the stones in like very interesting ways to build some story around it for everything for tourists. So
Hmm,
the
hmm.
original kind of
Yeah, it's
trace
fading away.
is fading away, right?
Yeah,
So this fortunately hasn't gotten that many attention yet. So we kind of see everything in its original,
I mean,
yeah,
And unknown.
and yeah, and that format. So that's what I liked about it.
Mm.
Because if you go to Egypt, that Giza pyramids and all
yeah,
of it,
yeah, yeah.
so famous that they are like, okay, this is the
Yeah, like
basically they put this stone
Yeah.
on top of the pyramid.
So
The stone is called I forgot the name. I think
happening in this.
they
Oh, yeah.
they
I always
believe
keep
that in ancient times there
Hmm.
was this
Story
pyramidion,
Ah,
this stone.
okay.
So they made artificial stone, put
Yeah.
it, saying,
Oh.
oh, this is how it looked like. So they basically there's so many
like sand or
current
Yeah,
influence
yeah, yeah,
that
yeah.
you kind of it's not
they
interesting.
are
on it.
making of it.
This
so,
one
yeah.
is authentic. That's what
Yeah.
I liked about it. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, maybe because
yeah.
our nation is not so forward
Yeah,
about,
yeah,
and also the access.
yeah, yeah.
The access is it's this place is really really
Here,
far from the center of the city. But thank you. Yes.
Yes, thank you guys.
What's your name?
Vartan,
Fartan
Yeah,
from
Armenia.
Armenia. Thank you,
Then
Fartan.
Thank you.
when the
Are you
government
okay
thought to
for
No
us to-
problem. No problem.
Thank you.
I'll
Thank you
be
again.
happy to see myself
So
on
we,
YouTube.
we have
Thank you
to,
again, Fartan.
You
we
guys
have to,
wanna grab some
make
coffee,
the
food with
Dodo
us?
Um,
Okay, no pressure.
I don't know. We're going to
Okay.
the local-
waterfall
No,
after this.
Oh, is
There
it far
is-
from here?
we are down
Maybe about apa sih namanya? Apa namanya?
Cikondang, Curug
Citambur.
Oh,
Citambur.
Like, do you need to
Paling
drive?
gila.
1 hour? Ya maybe
Jauh,
1
kan?
hour. Hah?
Sekalian ke Sukabumi.
Ya yuk. 2 jam lah.
Sukabumi.
Sekalian
Nah,
badai ke
Citambur
Sukabumi.
Citambur mah
Ya ka
kali
Citambur lah. Oh lain nu Citambur, nu di dieu Cikondang.
Cikondang.
Cikondang ya, ya
Jauh
Kang ya.
atuh.
Cikondang. Citambur
Jauh
mah jauhnya selatan kan?
Cikondang mah ke arah Cirebon, Cirebon,
Cirebon.
Cianjur Selatan. Tapi dari Cianjur
Citambur.
Selatan ke arah Sukabumi jauh lagi.
Anu dekat dia mah
Cikondang, Cikondang setengah jam ke dia.
Cikondang kan? Nah, itu Cikondang. About 30 minutes from us.
So, since you guys travel all over Indonesia, what similar, or maybe not necessarily similar, but what interesting sites would you recommend to go visit? Like some, a little bit lost in nature, like spiritual, not very touristy,
Ah, okay.
beautiful.
Maybe you can try Banyuwangi or Ponorogo.
What for the Banyuwangi?
Yeah, natures, just
Ijen?
natures. Yeah, no. Ijen is so touristic.
Okay, where?
Maybe Jawatan, Forest, and
There's a lot of the
Green Island.
Can you spell it for me?
Atau Alas Puro sekalian.
Alas Purwo. Oh, there is apa ya namanya cagar alam?
Oh ini Blauran.
Baluran.
No, lot of the people don't like it. Baluran.
Why?
So big area, empty
Hmm.
animal. They say a lot of the
Yeah,
wild
yeah.
animal like a buffalo, deer or something, but very small.
Small
you must be
chance.
lucky
Yeah.
to meet them. If you're not lucky, you cannot meet them.
Okay.
They call it Africa in Java.
Yes,
Hmm.
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly, but very small animal.
Okay, but still interesting. To
Interesting. There's so much sites and yeah.
See. What else? There you said something else.
Apa tadi ya?
Banyuwangi and
Kemana ya kita ya? Kemarin kemana aja sih?
Ke Baluran, terus ke
Bromo. Have you been there? Bromo?
Burung nggak?
Kawaburung. Yeah,
Java,
Kawaburung.
right? This is all Java.
This is all Java.
Burung udah.
So it is all
Oh,
from
sorry.
Java. Maybe Ponorogo if you like to see East Java.
Okay.
It's they famous from Riau, like mystical dancing with
Mm.
huge barong.
Huge what?
Barong. We call it barong. It's like I can describe it
Okay.
in
You
English.
need to see it.
It's like barongsai. Do you know barongsai dragon from
Dragon-
Chinese?
oh,
Yeah.
okay,
But
okay,
it's
okay.
our local barong.
Okay. Okay. So you
That's-
can get a tour that they will take you to see that dance, or you have to go on your own.
You
Whoever wants to
you
go.
you can see
You
with
can
the
find
tour.
a tour.
Yeah, you can find the tour.
Okay.
There's so much near that area, Ponorogo, Malang, and then Banyuwangi. Yeah, it's pretty near.
Now,
Apalagi kemarin kita kemana lagi? Ponorogo ya. Ponorogo. Yeah.
Amazing.
That's right. But Banyuwangi is famous, known by the nature.
So Banyuang, definitely you need to take a tour. Like you can't go
Yeah.
on your own. It's like
They
with
have-
wild nature. It's a little bit dangerous. Maybe.
Yeah, they have proper tour like Bromo. They offered like jeep. You can go anywhere near. Like maybe the farther is 2 hours from the city. There's a beach, a cave,
Oh, it's even close to the ocean. Beach?
Yeah.
Oh,
ocean, and the jungle and the mountain. They're really close each other.
That's one we should go next time.
You have
So let me just confirm if I got the name.
Banyuwangi.
Banyuang.
Yeah, Banyuwangi.
Perfect. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah,
And good luck with
anytime,
your
anytime.
channel.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.